Wesley. Wesley, ito. Hindi ko gagawin to sa ibang tao. Pero sa'yo,
Nako!
kung hindi... Wesley, happy birthday ha. Wesley, ito, may babati sa'yo. Balita ko, ex mo. Chismis, pero ito.
Uy,
Wesley.
Wesley Snipes. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Sa kanya yung pelikulang... Ano yun?
Nako.
Siya ba yun?
Underworld.
Happy birthday, Wesley. Hope to work with you soon. Artista yun si Wesley.
Wesley, nakakulong ngayon.
Ano ba?
Wesley Snipes.
Hi, Aya Wesley. Happy birthday! Good health, more birthdays to come, and a lifetime of happiness. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Wesley Tan. It's 4 a.m. in the morning, but I'm still greeting you happy birthday. So happy birthday, and many more to come. Happy birthday.
Hi Wesley Tan, happy birthday!
Hi Wesley, happy birthday. Sana more birthdays to come. God bless you. God bless your family. More good health. And ayun, sana I might see you one day. Sana dumagan ka dito sa taping. Happy birthday.
Hello Wesley, this is Sam. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. May this one be the best yet. And I hope that you enjoy your very special day. And I hope that every year just keeps getting better for you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Wesley Tan.
Hello po! Hello Mr. Wesley Tan. I heard na mag-birthday kayo. And yun, advance happy birthday! And ingat po kayo lagi. God bless and more success!
Hi, Wesley. Happy birthday. May God bless you always, and may you have many birthdays to come.
Hi Wesley Tan, this is James Reed. I just want to wish you the happiest birthday and many years to come.
Happy birthday, Wesley Tan!
Happy
God
birthday, Wesley
bless!
Tan.
Have a good one.
Hey Kuya Wesley, I think we've met before, but I'm not sure. But I heard it's your birthday, so happy birthday.
Wesley Tan. Nag-ghost. Siyempre, wini-welcome ka namin dito sa TV set. And yan, maligayang kaarawan. Sana maging masaya ka sa'yo. Happy birthday.
Right there! Oh! Wait, kumay! Si
Happy
Ara.
birthday,
Guys, yung tatawagin ko yun dapat nandito sa floor. Si Ara, Carmi, Amanda, Troy, Jeline. On cue si
Hi Wesley! Happy birthday! I will not talk about the age because wag na natin i-touch yung subject na yun. Happy birthday! I'm so glad that I'm greeting you now. Kasi pareho tayong September celebrant. Una lang ako ng 2 days sa'yo. So dapat batiin mo rin ako para fair, di ba? Kaya happy birthday! I hope you enjoy and I really hope na makita kita soon. At kung may party ka man, hindi naman masama mag-invite, diba? Happy birthday! Enjoy your day!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wesley, happy birthday to you. Sorry, maingay dahil marami nag-celebrate ang birthday mo. I don't know how old you are right now, but kahit di mo ako inimbita sa birthday mo, happy birthday to you and God bless. Bye-bye.